Hello YouTube, what products contain the most iodine? The nutritionist told what products there are so that there is no iodine deficiency in the body. Do you know that we get iodine mainly with food? Plant food gives 30% of all iodine, animal products, including fish, -60%. And a small amount also comes with air and water. The largest level of iodine is contained in seawater, so inhabitants of coastal territories are less risks of deficiency. Local products are rich in natural iodine. The farther from the sea, the greater the need to protect against iodine deficiency and its consequences. The main sources of iodine in nutrition are sea products. Sea fish, plague, cod, salmon, herring, mackerel, contains from 30 to 60 mcg. Sea mollusks, squid, shrimp, from 110 to 200 g. Laminaria, sea cabbage, in 100 grams ready to use completely covers the daily dose of iodine for humans. This means that, using sea products, we can fully provide the body with iodine. But it is also part of other products. Of the usual ones, it is red meat, eggs, milk. Iodine level depends on the use of iodized feed, vegetables and fruits. We can satisfy them only 50% of the daily need. There are also products artificially enriched with iodine, iodized salt, dining room and mineral water. 1 gram of iodized salt contains 40 g of iodine. Its use in a recommended amount of up to 5 grams/day allows you to provide the body's needs in iodine. Thermal processing of products reduces the amount of iodine by about 50%. Therefore, salt enriched with iodine should be added to an already cooked dish. It is iodized salt that occupies an important role in iodine prevention. Providing iodine of the body is especially important for pregnant and lactating mothers. The iodine deficiency in their nutrition can lead to irreversible disorders in the mental and physical development of the child. Too low iodine content in the diet of adolescents can lead to a violation of concentration of attention, difficulties in teaching, mood swings, quick fatigue and overweight. How many iodine is needed? Iodine in the required quantities is required for every person every day throughout life. The daily amount depends on age. 90–120 g/day for children under 12 years old. 150 g iodine per day for adults. 200 to 250 mcg day of this element should receive pregnant and breastfeeding. A reliable test to provide the body with iodine is to study its content in the urine. If the indicator of ioduric, iodine in the urine, is more than 100 g/L, you can be sure that your nutrition is enough iodine. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.